Neem leaves offer wide-ranging antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits. It is used traditionally in Ayurvedic medicines for skin and hair health, oral hygiene, and managing conditions such as diabetes and infections. Growing up those days, I remember my mom boiling this for us to take her bath. If you had something like measles and all of that, you use this to shower. Even malaria treatment, you have to drink a cup of it. Like, I know it is bitter, but this was what they gave us during those days, and we got better like instantly, feeling energetic. So in today's video, we're going to be making this neem leaves to powder. Okay, the purpose is for it to be used for skin and for hair. There's no chemicals added. Just watch the video to the end. I want to especially appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your massive support. I appreciate you. If today is your first time of coming here, please, thank you. Do well to subscribe. Do well to turn the notification bell on and give this video a like. It means a lot to me. Okay, thank you, and please stay glued. Like earlier mentioned, neem leaf has a lot of benefits. You can use it for chewing, as if you chew the stick. It helps with your gum, with your teeth issues, mouth hygiene, and all of that. And you can use this. I have videos on this. That's on my short. You use this for, paste on your face to take care of dark spots and pimple and all of those. So today, you saw what I did. I had to wash it thoroughly because this, I can use it to drink as tea, and I can use it for my face. I wouldn't want any dead particles into it. I wash it thoroughly, got it sieved, and then spread it to dry. And after it was dried, this is it. I grinded it to powder, and I'm still sieving it to remove any extra particles, as you can see. Then you are going to store it in a tight jar. At this point, please do it to wear nose masks. All right, I didn't, and it affected me because I got myself sneezing because of the dustiness of it. Is a powder, so please do well to protect your nose while doing this. Store it in an airtight container, and you are good to go to use it for your hair mask, for your neem hair oil, for your spray mix, whatever you want to do with this, for your hair care products. I have recipes as well. I have done with this. You can just go ahead. It saves you time. No chemicals. The ones you buy people made, you're not even sure what they added to it. All right, so making it yourself saves you a lot of issues, and you know what you have done. You want to use it to drink tea, just take a spoon of it, put inside your hot water, sieve, and you drink. You're good to go. Like the video for me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.